Rooster here. Today's project, road repair. I'm gonna take the camp trailer out here in about a week or so, and we got potholes and the road's a mess. We gotta do some work on the road. Are you ready? First, we gotta get the backhoe warmed up. You ready? Well, come on along. Let's go get her going. Yeah, looks like it's all ready to go. Oh, can you just sit up there okay and be good? Can you? Well, all right, thank you. Get her warmed up here. We'll go do us some grading. Just some basic straighten out. It's still gonna rain and be bad, won't be final, but a lot of potholes built up. We'll get those fixed in. Oh, fire in the hole! All right, I'll be back in a bit. Don't go nowhere. I'll be right back. Well, you ready? Let's go do some road work. You want to see where we're going or where have we been? Alright, I'll turn you around and I'll show you where we's going. I know where we've been. Oh, sorry, a little shaky, shifting gears, you know how it is. Gate's in the way, dadgum Billy Bobbers. Yeah, good thing we got an automatic gate pusherizer, openerizer. Well, I'll be back talking to you when we get into the graveling. We got a little bit of a drive to go to first, so we'll holler at you in a bit. Well, let's go up here and see what old Mac's doing. Looks like he's got his machine out doing some leveling. We'll go up and see what he's got going. He's going to be running the shovel today, helping do stuff. Oh yeah, he's got it looking pretty good up here. Yeah, he's got it looking pretty good indeed. There he is, climbing off the machine. Alright, we'll be back in a bit. Nice talking to you. Well, I guess we got a new operator to the backhoe. Looks like he can do pretty good to me. Huh? No way. All right. Heading down the road, going to the main road here where it touches the pavement. I mean, you can see these potholes. Got to fill all these in, but I'm going to start from the road and come back this way. This makes it a little bit easier. Yeah. All right, we'll be back in a bit. Don't go nowhere. Might be something real mighty powerful fun happening. You're going to miss it. Well, only one guy can work the camera. One guy's got to work the shovel. So I guess I'll do the camera work. Just trying to get these guys all fished in, topped off a little bit on here. We'll be in good shape. Not too many, I can grade part of this, but part of it's a little bit too soft yet, so. Yeah, okay. We'll be back. Nice talking to you.
take a look at this. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, the dinosaur putting in some work while the real machine does the heavy lifting. Well, somebody around here's got to do the work.
It's left-handed, but I'm trying to put it on.
Oh, that's nice. Mighty fine. Woo, he is right. Just about got the road done up, patching a little of the fine stuff on the main road, Rooster Ridge Road. Got some 5/8 minus relay in the knee holes, so that's what we got on the road up here. Oh, now we're doing pretty good. How you doing? Well, nice talking to you. I gotta go to work. Well, got her all done, just heading for the barn. Coming up the driveway. Boy, I came out pretty good. A lot of holes to fill in, but it came out pretty good. Little bouncy, sorry. Hard to steer and shoot film at the same time. Where's my production crew? Golly deal. Alright, we'll be talking to you later. Got it all done up for today. We're just going to relax the rest of the day. Nice talking to you. Don't forget to come back.